Hello beautiful people, do I have a unit for you. Comes with a natural hairline, no glue or baby hair is needed, and you can wear it up in a ponytail. She is beginner friendly and lazy girl approved. Okay y'all, so this is the unit straight out the box. As you see, it does come with an HD wig cap, and I'm going to just give y'all a quick 360 of this hairline. It is pre-plucked and the knots are bleached, and it comes with these new adjustable straps that removes any need to having to glue the back of the unit down while wearing it up in a ponytail. Stay tuned for all the deets.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is sponsored by Afsisterwig. As you guys already saw from the intro, I'm reviewing a 360 HD lace unit. So I'm really excited about this install. So excited that I'm actually gonna do a ball cap. Y'all know I don't really be rocking with the ball cap. And as you can see, they did include an HD lace wig cap in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that for my ball cap because I want this install to be laid. So let's go. Okay dolls, so I have my hair slicked back and I added some gel to my edges just to keep any loose hair out of the way. And I'm going to do a real simple ball cap for this particular install. However, I do have a very detailed ball cap install video, so y'all be sure and check it out. If you need more assistance, I'll have that linked in the eye above. Okay, so this unit does come pre-plucked and it is a deep pre-pluck, so I wanted to make sure I tried the unit on first before I completely finished trimming the lace along the front of the hairline. Okay, now it's time to put the unit on. I've already went ahead and I've adjusted these little elastic bands in the unit so that it fit my head properly. And I also adjusted the adjustable elastic band as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my forehead with some sea breeze just to make sure there's no makeup on it before I applied the adhesive. So I'm going to forego adding glue onto this unit. However, I do have a nice combo that will give me about 4 or 5 days hold. And I'm going to use this Wig Dealer touch-up gel, melting spray, and for the ends, I'm going to add this active melting spray. So as I mentioned, this combination of the Even New York gel and the bowl hold is going to give me a few days, about 4 or 5 days hold out of this install. So that's more than good enough for me. I did go ahead and I did cut a couple of layers in this unit just to give it some type of dimension, so it's just not boring and just straight flat on my head. And of course I went in with my hot comb to flatten the top because you already know that is a necessity for your install. Don't forget this step, ladies and gentlemen. Okay dolls, so this is the final look for this install. As you guys can see, I did a side part and the hairline is very clean. But of course, as I mentioned, this is a 360 unit. So of course, you guys already know means you could wear it up in a ponytail. It's almost a necessity at this point. If you got the 360, you might as well rock it out. And what would a straight wig be without a bust down middle? So for all my middle part girlies, I went ahead and did that for you guys as well. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on this unit. Comment down below and let me know.
Okay, y'all, so I decided to go ahead and throw some barrel curls onto this unit. I just want to add a little bit more volume to it. You know, sometimes when the unit is just straight, it's lifeless in my opinion. So I'm just going to throw a couple of curls in it to give it that added volume that I need.
Okay, doll. So I just wanted to add a couple of curls to this unit just because I'm not really a fan of straight hair. If you guys notice, I don't really review too many straight hair units on this channel. I just feel like it doesn't fit me, even though I know that I'm in a minority because most people like straight units. So I just threw some light curls. I used my big curling iron to add these curls. I didn't really want it to like do much, just add some like waves to it. As for the unit, I've only got like a little bit of shedding, light shedding, nothing too major. This unit does appear to be true to length, and I personally prefer the unit blow dried. I did turn around and blow dry it just to give it a little bit more thickness, because when you guys know, when you straighten hair, it does make it appear thinner, and I like big hair, okay? And that's one of the reasons why I don't really like straight hair, because straight hair doesn't have much volume, and I like to create some type of volume within the unit. I think this is 160% density. I'm not really sure. If it's not, I'm gonna go ahead and put that across the screen. And as I mentioned, guys, this is a 360 unit. I do actually prefer this unit because it actually has the drawstring with the tab holder. Now, I have reviewed a 360 unit similar to this in the past, but it didn't have that little tab to help the adjustment stay. So I would use to like tie little knots in it and it would come loose. So I think that the addition of that little tab was very helpful. And of course, you guys know a 360 unit does allow you the flexibility to wear this up in a ponytail. It gives you so much more styling options. And the full 13x6 frontal allows you to have so many unlimited ways of styling it. You can have parts down here, you can do the half up, half down, and you can have super deep parting with this unit. So that is also a plus. I've been working with a lot of closure units lately, so having that extra parting space is really a breath of fresh air. You guys already know everything used in this video, as well as the purchase links to this unit, will be linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful Fam, hit that family button, aka the subscribe button, and join the family. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out this video. You might enjoy it as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.